Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys like the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing. So this is the 6th look that I have created today for my Navratri makeup series. It is a very simple, elegant and very stunning makeup look. I am absolutely loving this lip color. It is definitely one of my favorite dark lip shades. So you can also create this look by purchasing products from Amazon. As you guys know that Amazon's Great Indian Festival Sale is live now. I will leave all the links in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out because they have some amazing deals going on. So then yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. So guys, I'm going to start off by spraying some of my Milani's Make It Last Setting Spray. For foundation, I'm going to apply this one. This is my Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I have two shades with me. The first one is 310 Sun Beige and the other one is 220 Natural Beige. So I will be mixing these two shades. So taking 2 pumps of 220 and 1 pump of 310. Going in now with my PAX Spotlight Concealer. This one is in the shade Beige. I'm going to apply it under my eyes and on the highest points of my face. Just going to dot it like this. Going to set everything with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This one is in the shade 20 Medium. Just pressing this powder into my skin. For bronzer, blush and highlighter, I will be using today my Faces Face palette. This is one of my favorite face palettes, guys, and this one is called Fresh. So you can use this to bronze your face as well as to contour your face. If you're looking for a nice face palette, I will highly recommend this one because the formula is really beautiful. All the products are pigmented and they're very smooth. So if you want to buy this palette, grab it now. It's the best time as Amazon's Great Indian Festival Sale is live. Now going in with my blush. Going in with this highlighter now. The glow is real. On my brow bone as well. I'm again going to spray some of my Milani's mist. So let's get started with the eye makeup. So for my eye makeup also today, I am using my Faces Face palette. So first I will be going in with this blusher. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid and also going to take it above my crease. I'm going to take this beautiful highlighter and I will be applying it on my inner corner. I'm just going to take it above like this, okay, on this corner. I'm just going to pull it a little bit upwards, okay, till here. So you see this shadow that falls, so basically till here. It's going to be a C, okay, if that makes sense. You can see. Guys. Now going in with my Sugars I Want You So eyeliner in the shade Black Swan. Going to apply a thick winged eyeliner, okay, like this one. Going to apply some of this blush on my lower lash line, just a little, so we have some color on our lower lash line. Will be now applying my Laura's Lash Paradise Mascara. For my lip color, I will be going in with one of my favorite lip colors from Lakme's Matte Melt Mini range. This one is in the shade 503 Born Voyage. Love everything about this lip color. And I'm just again going to spray my Milani mist.